Eve. I was shopping for a wedding gift on Buena Vista Street. I swear I saw the fire in her eyes, the kind of girl you hear about but never see.